Hey, what's up gamers? This is Zach with PCBros, and today we got something a little special for all the esports enthusiasts out there.
Introducing the Upgrade Pass Starter from PCBros. The best way to get into PC gaming without breaking the bank. Even with no dedicated GPU, this PC can handle some light gaming. Now here's the best part. It's called the Upgrade Path for a reason. You can easily add a GPU like the RX 560, GTX 1660 Super, or even go big with the RTX 4060, giving this PC a long lifespan for those wanting to hop on more demanding titles. So stick around because we're about to break down everything you need to know about this esports ready machine. So let's get into the specs. Let's break down the specs of the Upgrade Pass Starter one by one so you know exactly what you're getting with this machine. First up, the Intel Core i3-12100. This is a 4-core, 8-thread CPU, perfect for handling your everyday gaming and multitasking needs. It might be entry level, but don't let it fool you. It's a powerhouse for esports titles, offering excellent performance for the price point. Keeping the CPU cool is the Intel Laminar RM1 stock cooler. This compact cooler is designed for efficiency and quiet operation, ensuring your CPU stays at optimal temperatures without cranking up the noise. Next, we've got 16 gigabytes of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM installed as 2x8 sticks. This ensures fast load times and smooth multitasking, allowing you to stream, game, and chat without any slowdown. 16 gigabytes is a sweet spot for gaming in 2024, giving you the perfect balance of speed and capacity. For storage, you're looking at a 512 gigabyte NVMe M.2 SSD. Not only is this more than enough to store your favorite games and apps, but it also means super fast boot times and quick load speeds, so you can jump right into the action. Supporting all this is a H610M motherboard. This ensures stable performance and provides room for future upgrades, whether that's a new GPU or even more storage. Powering the system is a 600 watt 80 plus bronze power supply. This is more than enough wattage to handle your current build and any future upgrades. And all of this comes housed in the Apevia Prodigy case, which comes equipped with 3 120mm RGB fans for optimal airflow and that extra touch of style. The RGB lighting will keep your setup looking sharp, while the airflow ensures your components stay cool, even during those intense gaming sessions. So now that we've broken down the specs, let's hop onto the PCBros website and check out the Upgrade Pass Starter PC listing. I'll show you how easy it is to customize this rig to suit your needs, plus go over some of the great perks that come with it, like a full warranty and free shipping. So here we are on the product page. Right off the bat, you'll see the Upgrade Pass Starter is priced to deliver some serious value, but it's also packed with features and options you can customize before ordering. So let's go through some of those. First, we've got a RAM upgrade option. The base build comes with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, which is perfect for gaming and multitasking, but if you're planning on doing heavy workloads or just want to future-proof your rig, you can easily upgrade to 32 gigs of RAM right here on the site. For storage, the Upgrade Pass Starter includes a fast 512 NVMe SSD, which is excellent for booting your system and loading games quickly, but if you need more space for additional games or media, you can upgrade to 1 terabyte of storage for plenty of room to keep everything you need on hand. And here's one for those who like a personalized setup. You can also choose a white version of the Apevia Prodigy case. It comes with the same 3 120mm RGB fans for cooling, but in that fresh white color to make your build stand out. Now let's talk about what makes this PC even better. When you buy the Upgrade Pass Starter, you get some awesome extras. First off, it comes with Windows pre-installed, tested, and activated, along with all the necessary drivers that you need. So when it arrives at your door, it is ready to go right out the box. You won't need to deal with any setup headaches, just plug in, turn on, and start gaming. Plus, you'll be glad to know it's backed by a 1-year full warranty, so you're covered if anything goes wrong. And did I mention it comes with free shipping? So once you've customized your build with RAM, storage, or even the case color, just add it to your cart and you're good to go. PCBros makes it super easy to get the gaming PC that's perfect for you delivered and ready for action. Whether you're keeping it stock or making some upgrades, with the Upgrade Pass Starter, you'll have a PC that's not only powerful and easy to upgrade, but also fully covered and ready to game the moment it arrives. Next up, we're going to put this PC to the test with some real gaming benchmarks. First up, we're jumping into GTA 5, one of the most popular and iconic games even today. Now, even though this game is pretty old at this point, it's still a great benchmark for performance, especially when it comes to loading large maps and handling demanding scenes. We're running this game at 720p on normal settings, and as you can see, the upgrade pass starter is holding strong with well over 60 frames per second, even during the more demanding parts of the benchmark. Up next, we're testing Rocket League, one of the most popular and fast-paced competitive games out there. This game is a great benchmark for budget-friendly gaming PCs like the Upgrade Pass starter because it's all about smooth gameplay and quick reactions. We're running Rocket League at 720p on performance settings, and as you can see, this PC handles it with zero issues. The frame rate stays consistently high with no drops or stutters, which is exactly what you need when you're flying across the arena, pulling off fast aerials, or trying to score the game-winning goal. Now time for the grand finale. We've added the RX 6600 to the Upgrade Pass starter to see what this PC can do in a modern AAA title like Cyberpunk 2077. This game is known for pushing systems to their limits, and we tested it at 1080p on medium settings. As you can see, it's running very smoothly, maintaining over 100 FPS, and we're sticking to medium settings here, but with these kind of frame rates, you can still expect good performance if you bumped it up to high or even ultra. This really highlights how upgradable the Upgrade Pass starter is. If you start with the base build and later add a GPU like the RX 6600, you've got a system that can easily handle some of the most demanding games out there in 2024 without breaking the bank. Now that we've seen what this PC can do across a variety of games, let's wrap it up and talk about why the Upgrade Pass starter is such a great choice for gamers looking for both value and upgradability. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Upgrade Pass starter from PCBros. Whether you're an esports gamer looking for a solid entry-level rig or someone planning to upgrade over time, this PC has the performance, flexibility, and style to fit your needs. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more PC reviews, gaming benchmarks, and tech tips. Got any questions about this PC or want to share your thoughts? Drop a comment down below. We'll see you in the next one.